In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Pay account 2026. By the end, you'll have Google Pay set up in your browser and ready to use for secure online payments. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your card or bank details handy. Also, ensure Google Pay is available in your country and that you're signed in on a trusted device. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type pay.google.com and press enter. This takes you to Google Pay on the web, where you can manage your wallet and payment options in one place. Next, sign in with your existing Google account. If you don't have one, choose the option to create a Google account and follow the on-screen prompts. Creating an account is straightforward. You'll provide basic information and set a strong password. Use a secure, unique password and consider enabling two-step verification later for added protection. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Google Pay dashboard. Look for the payment methods section. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a tab along the top or as an item in the side menu. Click Payment Methods to open the page where you'll manage cards and bank accounts. Now select Add Payment Method. You'll be offered choices to add a credit card, debit card, or a bank account. Pick the option that suits you best. For cards, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown on your card, along with the name as it appears. For a bank account, you may be asked for your account and routing numbers or to sign in through your bank's secure portal. Double check every entry to avoid verification delays. At this point, your bank or card issuer may require authentication to confirm it's really you. Complete any prompts, which could include a one-time code sent to your phone, approving a notification in your banking app, or answering security questions. Follow the instructions closely and return to Google Pay once approval is complete. You may also be asked to enter your billing address. Make sure the address matches the one your bank or card issuer has on file. Mismatched details can cause the setup to fail. When everything is confirmed, you'll see your new payment method listed in Google Pay. That's it. Your Google Pay account is set up with a valid payment method and ready for checkout wherever Google Pay is accepted. Keep your account secure by signing out on shared devices and keeping your contact details up to date. Thanks for watching and happy, safer spending with Google Pay.